Greetings again, class. So this video is an explanation of the summative assessment for evaluating performances. It's called What Went Wrong. Okay, and it goes like this. This is the assessment. Let me open it so you can see it. And here are the instructions. Okay, what went wrong? Summative assessment for criterion A, knowledge and understanding, and criterion D, responding. This is due on October the 15th. This is Thursday, October the 15th. The last Thursday before October break. And it goes like this. Identify the mistakes in the following rhythmic exercises. You have here a number of rhythmic exercises both in audio and in written form, and you have to identify the mistakes that were made in each. And the instructions are like this. Open the music sheet to see the 8 exercises. This is the music sheet, the one that you have here in PDF. Listen to the recordings for each exercise and compare it with the sheet based on the kinds of mistakes we've covered in class. Are there any mistakes in it? Remember the kinds of mistakes that we have seen and practiced in the class. Clapping during a rest, not clapping a rhythmic unit, clapping a different rhythmic unit, stopping in between bars or in between beats, which is a problem of fluency, not coordinating your claps with the beat count, which is a problem of rhythmic accuracy, speeding up or slowing down, which are problems of tempo. So you're going to compare the recordings that you see here with the exercises that are written here. If there are any mistakes in the recordings, then you have to report it. And finally, it says like this. For each mistake you identify, write down in a Google document what the mistake was and where exactly did it happen, like we've practiced in class. Remember that you have to report 5 references, like is there in the presentation and in the video. You have to report what exactly went wrong. You have to identify the rhythmic unit or the rhythmic value that is involved in the mistake. You have to identify if it was in the downbeat or in the upbeat. You have to identify the number of beat where it happened and the number of bar where it happened. Okay, 5 different references. So you can also watch this video for instructions. It goes like this. So you open first here, right? These are the 8 exercises that you're going to compare with the recording. So you can open this in a new window, for example, or in a new tab. I'm going to open it in a new tab this time so I can see it and play at the same time. So then let's say that I'm going to analyze exercise number 1 first. I go here to exercise number 1. Let's see which one is number 1. This is exercise number 1, so I'm going to play it and listen to it. Exercise 1, and compare it here. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 there you have it. That's pretty much what you have to do. Then after you have compared the 2 of them, then you're going to go to a Google document. Okay, for example, you go here. Sorry, that is not what I was looking for. You go here to a new document and you're going to write down like this. Exercise 1. And here you list all of the different mistakes that you identify. This and this and this, this and this and this, this and this and this. Okay, then you identify the mistakes. After you have identified those for exercise 1, then you go to exercise 2. And this and this and this, this and this and this, this and this and that. Okay, that is your job for all of the 8 exercises. Okay, you also have attached there this grading rubric. It's very easy. You can go through it. Basically, if you want to get an 8, you have to use technical vocabulary accurately to report all mistakes identified, including rhythmic value names, whether it is a quarter note, an 8th note, a quarter note rest, or an 8th note rest. Bar numbers, if it is bar number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Beat numbers, if it is beat 1, 2, 3, and 4. And beat sections, if it is the downbeat or the upbeat. For criterion D, you have to identify all of the mistakes present in all the performances provided. All of the mistakes for all the 8 exercises. And there you have the rest of it. You can explore it on your own. Okay, guys, I hope this was helpful. See you later.